LED trim, CD player, overhead airbag, backup camera, Bluetooth, iPod MP3 input. Fuel efficient 31 mpg highway/24 mpg city. Warranty 5 years per 60k miles, drivetrain warranty. Read more! Key features include backup camera, iPod MP3 input, Bluetooth, CD player, rear spoiler, MP3 player, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls, expert ARE, same great gas mileage, 31 mpg HUI WHOWE. Red Clint Bowyer Autoplex is a partnership between NASCAR driver Clint Bowyer and Davis Moore Auto Group in Wichita, Kansas. Formerly Emporia Motors, Bowyer once worked as a paintless dent repair specialist and detailer. The Clint Bowyer Autoplex, 2815 US Highway 50 in Emporia, is across the street from the Clint Bowyer Community Building. Stop by and visit our showroom today. Fuel economy calculations based on original manufacturer data for trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.